Hey there, I'm photographer David Bergman, and this is 2-Minute Tips for Adorama TV. Today we're going to take control of the light coming out of our softbox by using a grid. A softbox is a common light modifier that takes the small light from a flash and makes it bigger by throwing the light onto a big white rectangular surface. That big light source, when placed close to our subject, gives a beautiful soft light, which is a very pleasing effect. What makes it so soft is that after the light hits the big surface, it comes out in all directions, wrapping around our subject and filling in a lot of the shadows. However, because the light goes in all directions, it might also go some places you don't want it to. The most common way to control that light is by using a grid. A softbox grid is an egg crate looking thing that you Velcro to the front of the box. What it does is effectively block the light from going sideways and pushes it all forwards. This prevents the light from spilling all over the place, and you can direct it where you want it. Without a grid, you can see the white surface from all angles, so that gives you an idea where the light is going. But with the grid on, you can see that the angle is severely limited, so you still get that nice soft light coming out of the front, but there's a very fast fall off to the sides. In this case, I'm using a medium-sized softbox to photograph Violet. I've got the light just a bit above her so I get that traditional Rembrandt light on her face. We're in a white room, so the light is bouncing around everywhere, including the background. Now that may be the look you want, but now let's put the grid on and see what happens. Here you can see that the light falls off a lot quicker. Her lower body has less light hitting it than before, and practically nothing is hitting the background. By controlling the spill, it gives me more options, and I can add another light to do something completely different with the background. Remember, photography is all about learning the qualities of light and how to control it. Use grids to narrow the beam of your softbox and make your images look exactly how you want. Thanks for joining me today on Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos, follow me on social media @David Bergman, and go to the Adorama Learning Center for lots of other great tips and tricks.